Good morning, everybody. Today we're headed to Glen Helen. Pretty windy right now, so I'm gonna make it short and sweet, but we probably got about an hour 20, hour 30-minute drive, but I haven't ridden this track in over a year. I'm actually kind of excited. It's a completely different track to all the other tracks in SoCal. It's super unique, and it used to be on the pro national like circuit for motocross, and it's not anymore, but it's just cool to like be able to ride there. So many legends have ridden there and raced there. Should be a nice day, other than hopefully just cross my fingers that it's not windy.